Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Gravity Forms on WordPress to Monday.com. This lets form submissions automatically create items on your Monday.com board. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your integration method. You have two easy options. Use the official Gravity Forms add-on for Monday.com or use Zapier, a no-code automation tool. Both let your form submissions flow directly into Monday.com automatically. Step 2. Using the Gravity Forms add-on. First, install and activate the Monday.com add-on on WordPress. Go to the settings and connect your Monday.com account. Choose your Gravity form, select the Monday.com board and group, and map the form fields to the board columns. For example, name to text column, date to date column, message to updates. Save the settings and you're done. Every new submission now becomes a board item. Step 3. Using Zapier alternative. Or open Zapier and create a new Zap. Set Gravity Forms as the trigger, new form submission. Set Monday.com as the action, create new item. Map your form fields to board columns, test the Zap, and activate it. Now, submissions automatically appear in Monday.com. No manual work. Step 4. Test and verify. Submit a test entry on your website. Check Monday.com. You should see a new item with the submitted data. If it appears correctly, your integration is working perfectly. And that's it. Connecting Gravity Forms to Monday.com is easy and saves a lot of time. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.